Do you love rosemary? Well, so do I. And this rosemary oil does not disappoint. I received this from SVA and I absolutely love it. Now, you can use rosemary oil in your favorite shampoo. You can also use this in a diffuser or humidifier. You can even put it in for your favorite lotion. And if you mix it with a carrier oil, you can put the drops on your skin. Or even I've heard for candle making too. How awesome is that? You can also use it as an essential oil for your hair as well, which that's what I do. I've made this bottle and I put it onto my hair and then I massage it in between. Now, this rosemary oil is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. You just need a few drops here and there. So that's why I said always use it in shampoo or with a carrier oil. Now, what a carrier oil does is it dilutes it because, like I said, it's very strong. So here's a carrier oil that I recommend, this jojoba oil. And you just mix a few drops into it like this, and then you have a great use for massaging onto your skin, onto your hair. I'm very pleased with it, so I'm sure you will be too. Let me show you a close-up. This is what the dropper looks like, and a little goes a long way. It comes with this dropper, but it also comes with a cap too. So if you're looking for rosemary oil, definitely recommend this. This is great to also use in your face mask, in your lotion, as a massage oil, and even for hair oil too. Love it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.